Popular Nigerian activist Martins Vincent Otte, also known as Very Dark Man VDM, is not happy with the Nigerian police. VDM reacted to a viral video where Nollywood actress Angela Okorie was seen jogging with a police officer behind her. The video, which appeared to be from a movie shoot, sparked mixed reactions online. After it spread, the police punished the officer who jogged with the actress. VDM was angry about the punishment and he shared a video online blasting Adejobi Olumuyiwa, the police public relations officer, PPRO. VDM accused him of ignoring more serious videos online, including showing some armed men with security officers while focusing on Angela Okorie's harmless jogging clip. VDM said,
"Another video that went more viral than this Angela Okorie's video. That particular video has caused unrest in Nigeria. A lot of Nigerians are scared. A lot of Nigerians want answers, but nobody ever spoke about it. But Angela Okorie will now go. You don't rush talk. Let me show you that video so that you know what I'm talking about. And we need answers in Nigeria. Since you have mouth to talk now for Angela Okorie own as a concise celebrity, let me show you.
In another video, a man claimed that politicians gave the guns to herdsmen. VDM dared the police PRO to address those serious issues and protect Nigerians. He said Angela's case is a minor issue and blamed politicians for setting a bad example by using police as bodyguards and errand boys. Although he said Angela Okorie should have used proper security for a movie, he didn't fully blame her. Instead, he said politicians are the reason police officers are being misused. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. And please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.